it's important that you allow the oven to cool completely before any type of cleaning. Once it is cooled, gently rub a soft, damp sponge or cloth along the length of the heating element. Do not use any abrasive cleaning agents. Otherwise, you may damage the metal surface. Cleaning your oven with a 50-50 mix of water and vinegar applied to a microfiber cloth is a natural and gentle way to restore your oven's shine. Now, to clean the splatters, which may have occurred while cooking. Because the inside oven walls feature a special non-stick coating for easy cleaning, choose a mild detergent or spray. Take a soft, damp cloth and apply the cleaning agent to the cloth, not the oven surface. Again, to avoid damaging the non-stick surface. Try to avoid touching the quartz heating elements as much as possible. Before plugging your Joule oven back into the power outlet and turning the oven on, let all surfaces dry thoroughly.